For the second batch of November, we are introducing a new fixed blade, the HARE. So the HARE as a knife is 7 inches long, with the blade being 3.14 inches, and then it even resembles a rabbit ear. The knife has a clip point design, and then the knife is perfect for cutting, slicing, everyday use. The stripe groove design helps for really good grip and helps you to be able to maintain that grip well. And then here you can see the adjusted ridges that allow you to start fires really easily. So great for camping, great for everyday use. Personally, I just like this design, and I find it is intricately well made, well crafted. And the best part is it's budget friendly. This blade is actually under $60. Let's showcase these two knives, both of which will be available across all channels on November 21st. This one features a dual material handle with black micarta and a deep orange G10 and a stone-washed Nitro V blade. This overall look is quite refined, and the feel in the hand is really excellent. The G10 provides a high strength and tough anti-slip performance, while the micarta adds a warm appearance and has a comfortable grip. Personally, this is my favorite style. This one features a gray PVD coated D2 blade alongside a deep orange G10 handle that just has a really glossy finish, and it's really eye-catching. So if you're out in the woods, it just makes it really easy to find if you lose it. Additionally, we have 2 colors for the different sheaths for these knives. These 3 knives are all Amazon exclusive styles, and for the release date, you can keep an eye on our official social media platforms. The blade treatments on these 3 knives are all stone washed. Now, do you prefer the D2 or the Nitro V styles? The handles come in black G10, green G10, and this one also features a dual material handle with the burlap micarta and the G10 in the inside. So this is a fixed blade that's well suited for extreme environments while still offering a comfortable handling experience, making it perfect for users who enjoy outdoor activities. These knives are affordably priced. If you like this design, this budget version knife is definitely worth picking up for your experience.